Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kushi, and guys, today's video is going to be a bit special since our summer vacation is going on, so that video is completely related to that. So let me give you all a quick intro about the video, like what I'm going to cover in today's vlog. So basically जो मेरी समर वेकेशन है is been off like 2.5 months. So basically in today's video I am completely going to show you all how I am helping my younger brother in his holiday homework. Yes, it's not good कि you are doing someone else's work, but it's even not that good if you are not helping your younger siblings as they are your brother or sister. So basically the main motive of doing this is just to help my younger brother, because so many things happened during his summer vacation, due to which my brother along with my family members need to visit my grandma or went to the village. They stay over there, and as you all know, the internet connectivity at villages used to not so good. So yeah, that's the only reason he wasn't able to get done, and in just 10 days his school is going to open, and today is like 26th of June, and from 1st of July their school is going to be open soon. So yes, I need to buckle up my belt as an elder sister and going to help my brother. So first here we have some sort of a stationery haul in which we have a scrapbook, designer sheet along with the newspapers, and basically the newspapers are in Hindi language. Then we have a Fevicol, pencil colors, and along with that a pencil in case we need that, and then we have a sketch pens. First we'll start with pasting the news headlines to this scrapbook, and also we have one more Hindi newspaper. Basically this holiday homework is given by a Hindi teacher, so she preferred to do all to paste all the headlines which is only from the Hindi newspaper. So yes, we have one more newspaper. Now here I am finding out the important news headlines so that we could paste it into the scrap file. And guys, today's vlog is a bit different. It's about something all of us have experienced growing up, that is our holiday homework. This time I sat with my younger brother to help him complete his holiday homework, and honestly it took us a day, like literally days. But the more I helped him, the more I started thinking, what are we really teaching the kids these kind of homework that our teachers used to give. And you know, our education system hasn't really evolved with the time. It believes that repetition equals learning. So most of the homework is just copying the same definition, writing the same essay multiple times, or just basically just filling the pages. And the sad part is that when school reopens, the teachers barely flip through the pages. They just sign it, stamp it, and that's it. All those late night, all that efforts, and no one even noticed. The work become a formality and not a learning experience. And this is what makes India different from other Asian countries, for example China and Japan, where the teachers use or give a practical live based examples and homework, so that through which the students used to learn or used to teach or used to understand something in a practical manner. If you guys would ask me what homework should be like, so I would say, imagine if instead of rote work, students got tasks like building a simple science model, writing a short story based on their summer experiences, learning basic video editing or a presentation making, something that not only excites them but also teach them a real skills. We say we are in 2025, but our education system is still stuck in the past. Never mind, right now I am still pasting the headlines into the scrapbook, and to be honest guys, this video I am editing like after so many days, and the homework which we did, the teacher hasn't accepted, and yes, so we need to do it again, but this time we haven't done it. Now here my cousin sister is decorating my brother's file because I had my class that day, and so yes, she was trying to make it fancy as she can, while along the way my brother was also completing his mathematics project, which was like a types of lines in which he have covered the 3 lines. Basically these 3 lines have discussed already in the class. Finally our maths project is also done, and still there is a lot to do. After this I have to make 2 or 3 project file, I'm not sure about it, but I'm going to start with the chemistry one, and this is like a redox reaction. So first I have sorted out the subtopics that I would be cover in the project file, and for that I am taking help of ChatGPT again, because we don't have that much of knowledge, because we only have a theoretical knowledge and we haven't performed any such sort of reactions in a practical manner in the school. So yes, we are going with that. And इसके बाद I am going to clean my room first because it's so mess in here. So welcome back again. And guys, in morning, like this is basically day 2 of making the project, and मैंने morning में I have already shown you all कि मैंने सनी की scrapbook prepare कर लिया है, and that is basically a homework, holiday homework of Hindi. Now next I am going to prepare chemistry की project file, and after that the social science project. So yes, let's go and get it done. So guys, it's the same day, but I was so exhausted, so took a shower and again I went back for completing the another file, क्योंकि I just want to complete all the written work by tonight only, क्योंकि कल I have to work on a model and also need to take out some printout, and there are so many stuff that we need to sort out. हमें holiday homework भी एक बार checklist prepare करके check करना है whether we have done all the work or not. बाकी I am genuinely speaking from bottom of my heart that I am so much disappointed after seeing all this and knowing that my brother knows nothing about it, कि what he is doing, even what he has what are the tasks that the teacher has even given to him, because she or he have never discussed that with their students as well. So bye guys, this was it for today's, like मैंने उसका सारा लिखने वाला काम जितना भी written work था I am done completing that, and कल संडे है, so that means I don't have to go to gym. So what I've decided that कि no matter what I'm going to sort out or getting all the work done by tomorrow only, because from Monday onwards I have my own plans, I have my own classes to take. So this is the next day. Here me and my brother already done taking a shower and breakfast. Now हम लोग यहाँ पे अपना जो भी उसका हॉलीडे होमवर्क है सॉर्ट आउट कर रहे हैं और लिख रहे हैं कि क्या क्या प्रिंट आउट्स निकलवाने हैं फॉर द केमिस्ट्री एज वेल एज फॉर सोशल स्टडीज़. And here we are done with taking out the printouts, and now we are cutting it and going to paste in the project file. अभी भी still we have so many tasks to get done, and model भी prepare करना है. So also we need to get the stuff for making the model, which I am going. I remember that उस दिन बहुत तेज़ बारिश हो गई थी, but एंड मेरे छोटे भाई की क्लासेस लग जाती हैं इवनिंग में for like 4 or 6 hours ki. That's the only reason I all alone went out by myself and got the stuff, and finally I started preparing for the making the model, which was again not easy for me. Genuinely it was such a struggle for me. Despite everything, I enjoyed spending time with him, and helping him reminded me of my school days and the stress, the boredom, and also the joy of finishing everything just before the deadline, because next day Monday tha and he has to go to school by any means. So finally, this is how we did our holiday homework. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this series. If you are someone who has also gone through the same phase, can let me know in the comment section. And do you think also that our education system need a serious upgrade? So right now I am making the outlines of a bio project. I think it was a circulatory system. So first I drew it with a pencil, and then I used a marker for the outlining, then colored it with the pastel color. And yes, I have also filled in it all the crayons colors. And उसके बाद I remember जो उनकी headings होती हैं, for example कोई particular part बताना है आपको कि this is that part of the body या फिर this is that. So I remember I have made a 3D headlines too. You can see the whole thing, that what I did behind the scenes of all that I did in order to make that project. It was not easy, I'm generally speaking. Now you guys can see कि मैंने बना लिया, उसको कलर भी कर लिया है. Now we need to cut the outlines और उसको 3D थर्माकोल पे कट करके पेस्ट करना है. And then we need to make again a 3D base so that we could easily paste them and make them it. So final project and final result is this. This is basically the circulatory system that was given by the biology teacher. And yes, this was it from my side. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll meet you soon in the next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.